Make a butterfly pin out of felt. Materials. If you don't like to sew, you can use craft glue or a glue gun instead. Felt sheets, 1 each of 4 colors, plus 1 stiff black sheet. Green, cream, orange, pink, and stiff black. Scissors, needle and embroidery thread in white and black, straight pins, and a pin back. Pattern. Download the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Cut out the pieces. Use the pattern sheets to cut out the felt pieces. It'll be helpful to pin the patterns to the felt with straight pins, then cut around the outlines. Sew the top wings. Use white thread for all the sewing on the wings. You can use straight pins to secure the larger pieces in place before sewing them down. 1. Sew the cream wing shapes onto the pink wing shapes in the position shown. Use small closed stitches around the edges. Be sure that the wings are facing in opposite directions. 2. Sew on the long orange teardrop shapes. 3. Sew on the cream dots and green teardrop shapes. For the dots, instead of sewing around the edges, you can tack them down by sewing an X in the center. 4. Optional embroidery. Sew straight white lines from the dot shapes to the tips of the orange teardrop shapes. Sew the bottom wings. 1. Sew the large orange teardrop shapes onto the green bottom wing shapes in the position shown. Be sure that the wings are facing in opposite directions. 2. Sew on the cream teardrop shapes. 3. Sew on the pink teardrop shapes. 4. Sew on the cream dots. Optional embroidery. Sew straight white lines from the dot shapes to the tips of the orange teardrop shapes. Sew the wings to the backs. 1. Sew the metal pin back to the stiff black butterfly backing. This will be the back side. Sew through the holes. 2. Flip the butterfly backing to the front side and sew on the bottom wings. 3. Sew on the top wings. Sew on the center body. 1. Optional antennae. You can use gold or other color twist ties for antennae to attach to the back of the butterfly head. Cut a 6-inch strip and fold in half in a V shape. Use the black thread and sew across the bottom of the twist tie several times to tack it down. Or you can use a hot glue gun and glue it down. 2. Position the butterfly body between the wings. You can tack it down either with hot glue or by sewing across the top and bottom with black thread. And you're done!